These are flashing, and as they sort of peter out, these start starting, and the light travels. Like in New York, you know, the signs that sort of move around with the lights and stuff. It's like that, except God did it with lightning bugs. It's the most amazing thing you've ever seen. And if you get a chance, if you happen to be in the area, what are they saying this year?
June 2nd through 12th or something like that.
They say June 2nd through 12th, but as hot as it's been, it might be a little early. Might start a little early, might end a little early. But it's an amazing thing. You just go up to Elkmont Campground, and they have shuttle buses, and you go up there and just sit and watch the mountain. It's full this year? Oh, for next year. Plan early. But they're taking reservations and stuff this year, so it's a little weird. But if you go up there before they start, you'll probably see some of them, because they're a little early. But this is called Appalachian Lightning. Well, what happened is we're sitting there watching these things, and we realized it was both humming the song. So we decided to call the song Appalachian Lightning Bug. Well, it's a long way to go from the title.